It's now my third day touring the North, while we already celebrated a range of new projects that are bringing Unolo into the fold of Fiji's economic development. But this morning, what we gathered to celebrate is new equipment or a new office. What we're here to celebrate is Fiji's most valuable asset, the exceptional hardworking spirit of women, especially today, the women of Ravi Ravi, Madhwata. Today I'll be handing over a check of $20,000, the fruits of both labor and innovation that has brought prosperity and acclaim to your community. The Fijian-made products that you have helped design and promote through the Navatundua Women's Club Community Pet Collection Program are spread far and wide throughout the world as tourists taken home little pieces of Fiji with them. The pearl oyster shells that you've certainly grown, the carefully grown, and the mabe that you've carefully cultivated have been crafted into beautiful tokens that represent the untapped potential of Fiji. And when I say that, I'm not just talking about the shining beauty of those finished products. Because for me, as your Prime Minister, the most beautiful part of this project is that it's been spearheaded every step of the way by resilient, creative, and ambitious Fijian women. Women who took it into their own hands to improve their own lives, the lives of their families, and the economy of Fiji as a whole. To these businesswomen, and you can wear that title proudly because you've earned it, you are part of the key drivers of this growing industry. It was your willingness, your confidence, your work, and your passion that have made this pet collection program a resounding success. And you've been fellow climate champions along the way, doing so in a manner that is sustainable for not only the local economy, but the health of our pristine oceans. Too often, in souvenir shops around the country, tourists are led into thinking they're bringing a piece of Fiji home with them when they buy pearls and pearl shells handicrafts that are prominently displayed in windows and on shelves. But for too long, the majority of those pearls or handicrafts weren't grown in Fiji at all. They were shipped in from other parts of the Pacific and Asia. But now, so long as they check the labels to see that their cherished memories of Fiji were actually grown in Fiji, they can take with them a true piece of our islands when they go back home. And they can do so taking pride in the fact that their purchase will directly support goal-oriented women like you. Fiji has immense potential in building a robust aquaculture industry, and today we witness that Mabe culture may be one of the best opportunities for business development in many of our country's most isolated island areas. So I hope the success of the Nabatundua Women's Club serves as an inspiration for others throughout Fiji, knowing that they too can turn big ideas into stories like you have done. I'm happy to state that my government, through the Ministry of Fisheries, allocates $250,000 annually through the Pearl Oyster Development Project to empower ordinary Fijians to develop these ideas into reality. I'd like to thank the Ministry of Fisheries and the Australian Centre for International Agricultural Research for believing in you like I have and helping you tap into your true potential, and to all those who offered you support along the way, from your families to the local businesses who buy your products. I came to Ravi Ravi today because I wanted to come and see this handout personally in recognition of all you've accomplished. You are Fijian success stories. And I came knowing that the spirit of hard work in your community is not limited to just our pearl farming, but that ambition has already grown into other parts of society as well. This morning, ladies and gentlemen, we're also handing out checks to 10 nursery owners who have taken advantage of a new tree planting project that uplifts both our economy and our ecosystem. I thank the United Nations Development Program and the Secretariat of the Pacific Community for working alongside our Ministry of Forests to kick off this initiative, providing work to Fijians who are needing it most. The project aims to serve dual benefits, restoring our ecosystem while giving Fijians the resources they need for helping plant trees and mangroves. It's part of our greater vision of sustainable management of all precious ecosystems from reef to reef, and recognition of the crucial role that forests play to combating climate change. That vision has taken full effect through the Ministry of Forestry ambitious plan to plant 30 million trees across Fiji over the next 15 years. As you've heard, kicked off by His Excellency the President in January last year, over $1.9 million trees and mangroves in Fiji have been planted by international rugby stars, world leaders, royalty, and like in Ravi Ravi, climate champions just like you. With the ready availability of seeds and seedlings through nurseries like this, I challenge every Fijian to join us and actively participate in Fiji's tree planting revolution. As I've said in the Tauke language, to make sure your contribution is counted every time you plant a tree, let the Ministry of Forestry know by completing the 30 million trees in 15 years survey, which is available on their website. So this morning is about much more than just a couple of big checks. As I also said in the Tauke language, it is a symbol of gratitude for your hard work. From our pearlers to our nursery owners, you've earned this day. You've made Fiji proud, and of course you've made me proud. Fiji will be watching Nabatundua Women Club continued progress in the years ahead. I know I will. Please keep up the good work, and know that when tourists arrive back in our shores, you have put your heart and soul into capturing the best of Fiji in your work. And we will be watching all of Ravi Ravi Village as your success grows alongside the trees that you've planted for the benefit of not only your local ecosystem, but of the planet, especially in these times. Your community and your people You are a shining beacon of hope. And everything ang gagawin mo sa dami ko naman ito na ito kimpulantangani. Isa ko na bunwa. Sama yung dola tukin na nando songo ay na matani ko. Binasa volyo.